Pokemon cards are now more expensive and harder to find than they've ever been. So I put together a very big list of all the Pokemon card deals this week. Hey everybody, my name is Cassidy. Welcome to Champions Card Club. What if I told you I could get you some Prismatic Evolutions for free? Wow. It's the big fat Prismatic Evolutions giveaway. Do you know how many Umbreons I could fit in this bad boy right here? If you want to be entered in the giveaway, here's what you gotta do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and just say you're gonna be there down in the comments below. I know it's hard to find Prismatic Evolutions, and that's why I wanted to do this giveaway, to give it away to some people who haven't got a shot at it. Let's try to get it in your guys' hands. I'll have lots of new products available. What do I got? I got just about every set you could ask for over here. So let me see you this Friday for the Prismatic Evolutions giveaway party right here on this channel, 6 p.m. Central Time. Back to the video. You may know the name Sauron from Lord of the Rings. He's the great deceiver. Well, Walmart is not too far off from Lord Sauron with what it does on its website, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Do not be deceived by these practices at Walmart.com. GT Collectibles and Toys, that is who is selling this item to you, not Walmart.com. I would not recommend buying from GT Collectibles or other third-party vendors on Walmart unless they have very good reviews. Over the past few weeks, they have canceled a lot of orders that they listed at a lower price and then just raised the price. I know that's just kind of how the market works now, but there were thousands of orders canceled, and I just think that's a bad business practice. Here's the exact item I'm talking about. Surging Sparks was listed at $27.99. Now it's $34.99. This is a bestseller here. Charizard, the EX Premium Collection. Again, third-party seller, but this seller almost has 2,000 reviews, and it's, what, 4.5 stars? So I think you can trust this. $60. You can also get this Charizard for $60 over at Costco if you have a membership. I've never ordered from this vendor, so I can't say for sure. Your mileage will vary when you buy third-party. We're very early into Stellar Crown. It wasn't that hyped, so for $40.95, that might sound like a lot, but I think that's actually a decent price for this in this current market. Stellar Crown has the Bulbasaur and the Pikachu, which go with the Charmander from Obsidian Flame, so it's a sought-after set. A lot of people aren't super hyped about it because it just came out. This set will have its day soon enough, but I'm just going to warn you to buy this now before the price starts to take off, because it is going to take off just like every other set. Speaking of prices taking off, Shrouded Fable is starting to creep up. It's now at $37.95. Not an amazing deal. Real good deal sold by them. Only 128 reviews and 3 stars. I would not recommend doing that. You can probably find this price other places pretty easily. It's not a very desirable set, but I do think it is also a set that's just going to keep going up because of its low price point. I know you probably already know this, but every Pokemon set is being bought up right now in mass. How it's going to work is Surging Sparks is like $230 for a box right now. Not many people want to pay that much for a box of Pokemon cards. So what do? They look at other sets. Shrouded Fable, that's an example of, as people reach their limit for what they're willing to pay, they're going to start going to the other sets and buying those up, and then all of those sets' prices will increase, and it's going to increase all the sets over the whole market, and the whole market's going up. Best Buy prices aren't super great. $4.49 here for a lot of your Stellar Crown boosters. They originally had Prismatic Evolutions for $49.99. That's not really possible to find anymore. Those are about like $150. Shrouded Fable for $26.94, also not a deal. Best Buy really not going to hit this week. But if you're starting to look for this new set, Best Buy has had it in stock. GameStop has had it in stock. Journey Together is the name of it. And the booster boxes here are $161 at bestbuy.com. The Journey Together ETB is $50. The booster bundles are $26.94, and the sleeved booster packs are $4.49. A lot of this is in line with what we normally see. The only thing I would say that's a little out of place is the booster boxes being $160. Before Surging Sparks hit, you could get these booster boxes for about $90. So now that you're aware of the rising market, the Silver Tempest ETB here at $40, I think that is actually not a bad play. Not the most desirable set, but at this price, you have a lot of room for growth. If you wanted to hang on to a few of these, I think that would be a good play if you're trying to invest. If you want to start picking up a few, just kind of dipping your feet in the water. Hey, Silver Tempest. Or if you just want to rip packs, Silver Tempest has some good cards in it. Most notably is Lugia V, the alternate full art. Look at the price of this, guys. It's taken a dip, but now this card is up to $272. This is going to probably also just keep going up, just like everything else on the market. Let me see if I can get you a little closer view of this card. There you go. That is a 44% increase over the last 3 months. The Lugia V-Star I think is the second most expensive card in this set. It's not a super powerful set, but as these boxes are open at these lower prices and people keep buying them because that's what they can afford or that's what they want to do with their money, the price of these are going to go up. It's just a matter of time. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Temporal Forces here for $50. Not a lot of heavy hitters inside of this pack. $94.27 for the Raging Bolt EX. The Walking Wake here for $62. The Gouging Fire EX for $50. The Iron Crown EX for $62. You have a lot of higher, not super high, but higher end cards here in this set that if these start to go up, they're all going to go up together, and this set's going to become very strong because you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 cards in this set that could start seeing numbers, you know, once they hit $100, $150, they're all going to rise together. That could make this actually a really big set to look out for. Paradox Rift, I'm not going to try to convince you to buy this one. $44.99. If you like the cards that are in this, pick it up. I think this is a pretty good price for it, $44.99. All of these Elite Trainer boxes just keep going up in price once they're out of print. $50 for Twilight Masquerade. I think that's a play too. All of these sets have been sold out for quite some time. Over here on tcgplayer, we have their Greninja EX. This is the card that everybody wants from this set. Let me open it up so it's a little bigger here. Greninja EX, wow. $304. That's lightly played. Let's see what it looks like near mint. Only 38 of these listed. $319 for this card. There is another good card in this set. The Eevee here, $91.69. Even the Carmine here at $65 and the Parent at $63. It's a good set. It's a good set. People are going to come back and be like, hey, we should have got this when it was $50 at ETB. We should have got these when they were, what is the booster box here? $185. Now that's pretty high for a booster box. That's why I think the ETBs at $50 aren't really that bad of a deal. Over at Amazon, I really only found a couple decent plays. The Terapagos EX Premium Collection. Let's make sure that it's sold by Amazon. Here it is. Only 11 in stock here. Ships and sold by Amazon for $87. Not really for me. If you want the Premium Collection, if that's something that interests you, this is a good price to get it at. The Charizard is kind of exactly the same deal. It is shipped and sold from Amazon. At $60, we're getting close to a good deal on the packs inside. There are quite a few packs, but it's still not hitting that threshold of being cheaper than just buying, like, say, singles. Nothing really to note at Sam's Club. This is a Paldea Adventure Chest. If you can find it at Target, in-store, $20 for that. $27.98 here at Sam's Club. If they could just knock that $7.98 off, we'd have a deal. We'd have a deal here, but we don't. The TCG Classic box card pack, not worth it. And also, I don't know why they keep this on the site, but it's been here forever. It's never in stock. Costco, here is our Charizard EX Premium Collection for $58.99. I would say that is the play that I would go with if I wanted this, just because I know it's going to be from Costco. And of course, we can't leave Costco before we talk about Blooming Waters. We have the Blooming Waters 151 Premium Collection for $50. So many packs, such a good value. 3, 6, 9, 12 packs inside. I thought it was more than that even. Let's see. Yep, 12 packs. Your big Blastoise promo, your other promos. These aren't special promos or anything. They're just kind of standard. We've seen these in other packs, so I wouldn't really chase after this for that. What people are chasing after this for is the low price of the packs in this bundle. That's $4.17 per pack, which is huge for 151, which sells for, last I checked, $11. I don't think you should lose sleep over this because look, limit 1 per transaction with a maximum of 10 units per membership per day. Okay, so you're going to be paying shipping on every single one. I mean, that's one way to do it. They're really stopping you from going crazy because you're going to be paying shipping on every single one, unless they have a special membership where you're not going to have to be paying shipping, but I don't think that's the case. I think you'll have to pay shipping every time, and at max you can get 10, which is a good amount. Last thing I'll say about this is if you are a Costco member, you can check on the warehouse app to see if it's in stock at your local stores. January 15th, 16th, and 17th, those are all days that it could be arriving at your stores. So check the app in the morning. Costco doesn't open until like 10. Check the app, see if it's in stock. If it's in stock, that's game time. GameStop over here has some Journey Together, but it is also sold out, just like Prismatic Evolutions. $47.49 for the ETB. Same for Prismatic. You have the booster bundle here with 6 packs and the sleeve packs for $4.74. I bet this is in stock. I'm just going to guess. I'm saying in stock. It's in stock. Yeah, $4.74 is pretty high for a pack that people don't really know about. The booster packs and the booster boxes, I think by the time you're seeing this, are all sold out. I called my local GameStop. They said they were sold out. If you went in store, you could pick them up. I just wanted to see if they were. I didn't pick any up myself. But there you go. That's Journey Together. Here's just a quick update on Prismatic Evolutions. If you're interested in it, $17.88 per pack here on tcgplayer. That is insanity. And that is after it had dropped to $11 up to $16. At some point, these were selling for $20. Highest sale price, $19.97. They're selling about 24 a day. And yeah, $17.88 is what you can expect to pay here on tcgplayer. The 17th is like the official day, so just keep that in mind. Don't FOMO on this right now. You're not even going to get it until January 17th anyways. People are just thinking that the price is going to go up through the roof. It could. I'm not saying it's not going to, but it could. But generally, when a bunch of product floods the market, the price goes down. There's not going to be that much of this product coming out. So what we saw with Surging Sparks could happen again, where the price does go up. And that's just not fun for anybody. This Friday, I will be giving away some Prismatic Evolutions during my live stream. It's going to be the inaugural first live stream since I tried doing live streams in the past and they failed. So hopefully you show up. I'm also celebrating 500 subscribers, so thank you for that. Hope to see you there this Friday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for the Prismatic Evolutions giveaway and Rip and Ship stream, and I will see you in the next video.